Okay. Now with this game, the goal is you go from room to room, looting treasure chests, and killing any Nazis that stand in your way until you find your way out of the castle. And when you get the game, I think there's a map that comes with it so you can follow the map and get out. But I never had that because way back in those days, most of the games we ever had, we would just get them from our friends at school and make copies. So we didn't have the instructions most of the time. One time I actually did make it out of the castle just by pure accident. I said, oh, okay. Oh, you know what? I think it saved the game from the last time I played it. I don't want to do that. I want to start fresh. Oh. Uh-oh. Copwood. Killed. Dead. Whatever. Alright, we'll start over. I need to start a fresh game with nothing saved. I don't remember. What button do I press to fire? S to search. Oh, I better get out the directions and read them because I can't even give you a decent demo of the game. Okay, I'll have to point my gun, go up here, and when he comes up above the wall, I'll shoot him. Oh, he can come up above the wall. Okay, I have to point my gun down. I have to get over here above him. Got him. Space bar. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Oh, I have to point the gun to look in there. Bratwurst, you to use. And their idea of seconds in this game is not normal. The timer goes differently. I'll go over here. I'll search this chest. I'll go up here, go to these stairs, and see what lies in wait for me on the other side here. And if there's a guard right there, I have to aim the gun fast. Ah! Well, so much for that. Didn't even have a chance there. I'll try it again. Now, since that guard was to my left, I'll have to pre-aim my gun to the left and then go up these stairs, ready to hit the key in the keyboard to fire. Got him. Searching. 4 bullets and keys. Now, one of the illogical things about this game is, say you have 8 out of 10 bullets in your gun, and you find 4 bullets somewhere. You can't use those 4 bullets. You would think, okay, I'll take 2 of the bullets and top up the gun and have 10 bullets again. No, it doesn't work that way. If you have 8 bullets and you find 7, that's useless. If you have 4 bullets and find 9, then you have 9 bullets. And look at how fast the countdown timer counts down. That's not real seconds, and that's a good thing too. Uniforms, yeah. I'll put on a uniform. so I'm not walking around looking like a prisoner. Check this one. That'll help some, but still, if you walk right up to a guard, they'll still catch you. I spent a lot of time playing this game, and without an instruction manual, so everybody didn't know what I was doing. You had to figure it out as you went along. Grenades, oh yeah. Get me some hand grenades. I can press Q on the keyboard to use them, so I'll try to use a grenade here. And you can see what they look like. Ah! I hit the wall and messed me up and they got me. Well, that's my little demonstration of Castle Wolfenstein. I wanted to show you more, but I am way out of practice on this game. So, look it up yourself, find some YouTube videos, and enjoy. There is a second part to this game on the Commodore 64. Instead of Castle Wolfenstein, they called it Beyond Castle Wolfenstein. But I never played that one, I'd only had the original. So, that's all for today's video. Castle Wolfenstein on Commodore 64.